Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change DP of highlights on Instagram. The first thing you need to do is open Instagram. Once on your profile page, you are going to tap on the highlight that you would like to change the pic for. Then you are going to tap on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner. From here you are going to tap on edit highlight. That's the second option. Then you are going to see the option edit cover right below the current cover photo. And then you can tap on the photo icon in the bottom left hand corner. And from here you can select the photo that you would like to use as the new DP for your highlight. And then you'll tap on done again, and you'll tap on done again, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to change DP of highlights on Instagram.